They are up in
Let me tell
arms.
you,
Nobody is
as-
listening to them.
And
Haryana is the
whatever
worst
problems
state in
farmers
India.
have in Haryana,
Haryana
they are
is
being
way
talked
better
to.
than
There's an
Mayawati
arbitration
government.
process. But in UP, where Mr. Vijay is supporting this BSP government and saying that they are doing the right thing, farmers have been shot at, people have been troubled, the land has been taken by force, and even the Supreme Court
supporting
today has come out
BSP.
and
What are you
said
talking
that
about?
what the BSP government has done is very wrong. So if Mr. Vijay is trying to protect what the BSP government is doing in UP and saying something wrong in Haryana is happening, he's sadly mistaken. What has happened in UP is very drastic and very anti-farmer.
Okay, and Tarun Vijay, the
We are
Supreme Court
fighting Mayawati.
verdict today does come as a shot in arm. In fact, just as we started the bulletin, we played what Rahul Gandhi just said near Tappal. He said that the Supreme Court verdict vindicates the Congress party's stand. Clearly, this farmers' issue now, whether it's Bhatta Parsol, Greater Noida, is now seen as a Congress fight for justice.
Supreme Court doesn't serve a political party.
No, clearly it doesn't, but it's come
Supreme
as a
Court
shot in
doesn't
arm.
take
No,
into-
undoubtedly the Supreme
No,
Court doesn't,
shot
but
in-
it has come as a shot in the arm for the Congress, would you say?
Kamal, see, don't bet for a political party. You have to be an independent
I'm
and
asking
objective
you a
anchor.
question.
Supreme Court has given a judgment. Supreme Court has given a judgment which comes as a shot in arm for the farmers. I mean, the Mayawati government's land acquisition policy was the worst. It was anti-farmer, it was anti-poor, it was anti-Dalit, and we had been protesting
What did you
against
do
it.
about
We
it?
have been
You didn't
trying
oppose
to.
it.
We did more than
No,
what you did, Jatin ji.
see-
We did more. We did
No,
best,
Vijay ji,
and we
you-
created an atmosphere in
Mr.
the entire
Gandhi
state.
And the Congress party has gone about taking the cause of the farmers, trying to give them a hearing, a voice to their concerns. He's come across farmers and they don't even know why this government has taken their land. The land has been taken for industrial purposes but been converted to residential areas, and some industrialists have benefited. So he is trying to bring the light and to the nation that the farmers of UP have been wronged by that government. And I'm very sad to hear that you are trying to
I
say
think-
that Haryana policy is wrong, but the BSP policy in UP is right.
Tarun Vijay,
What
respond to
you
that.
saying? Are you not listening to me? Are you not listening to me? We are the first to fight Mayawati's policies. We have termed Mayawati
Where? I have
governance
not seen
as
anybody
a stone
fighting.
as governance.
But where? But where?
So you don't read.
But where?
You don't. You read New York Times. Listen, you read New York Times. You don't read Indian papers. That's a problem with your
No,
leaders.
Mr. Vijay, I am
Listen to
elected,
the
I have
listen to the
mandate, I'm
Indian
elected from
papers.
a rural constituency in UP. I have the mandate of the rural people
Very
of UP I am
sad.
elected from. So I know, I don't see the BJP anywhere taking up the cause of the farmers, only criticizing on TV channels and trying to point fingers where the land acquisition policy is very good. So if you had some concern,
I can only
you would have been
sympathize
there
with
on the
your-
ground, like Mr. Rahul Gandhi is
I
there,
think
who is there
you are,
on the ground
you
taking
are
up
not
the
in the
cause
habit of
farmers.
listening others.
Okay,
Rather
Kancha
than
Ilaiah, Dr. Kancha Ilaiah, the Supreme Court verdict,
I
it
think
does
you are
come
not
as a
in the
major
habit of
setback.
listening others.
Jitin, for a moment, let me also get in a word from Dr. Kancha Ilaiah.
It was the BJP, the first party.
Yes, Dr. Kancha Ilaiah. Jitin.
Anti-farmer policy.
No, just wait.
30 seconds, gentlemen, 30 seconds either side. Dr. Kancha Ilaiah, the Supreme Court verdict today. Dr. Kancha Ilaiah, listen to me please for a second, which says that men are arrested, women are raped. There is an obvious reference to Bhatta Parsol here.